Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Rina May Baclig Decano. I'm 33 years old. I'm married. I live in Luzon, Cabanatuan, Isabela, Philippines. I have 4 children, ages 17, 15, 11, and 8 years old. I have 5 siblings, 1 brother, 4 sisters. I am the second child. I am high school level.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience, I work in Doha, Qatar as domestic helpers to a couple, 1 child, age 4 years old. I do something chores like cleaning, taking care of baby and pets. I work also in Kuwait as a domestic helpers for 4 years with a couple, 7 children and grandchildren, ages 1 year and 8 months old and 5 months old. I do something household chores also like cleaning, cooking, taking care of their grandchildren as well.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I check the baby temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer immediately.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself, I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I have, sir, ligate and for 11 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
I don't have, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family future and their better living.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my aunties, and my sisters, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll keep myself busy for doing my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. if my work is finished, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more patient and calm to them.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. If my contract is finished, I will extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir, like Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. Hope as you select me as a server, I am hardworking, flexible, and reliable person. I do my best to serve you and your family. Thank you and God bless.